Today, in this video, we will show you how to assemble your original CopperMask. But first, let's see what's inside a CopperMask box. Included in the box are 1 piece of CopperMask antimicrobial film layer, 10 pieces of non-woven fabric filters, and 2 pieces elastic bands. Now, we will show you how to assemble it. First, place a piece of non-woven fabric filter on the CopperMask antimicrobial film layer. Make sure the position is right and not inverted. Then, put the elastic band each on both sides of the mask. Make sure that the position of the non-woven filter is right before placing the elastic band. This bed should be shown on the outer part of the mask, so the elastic band should be placed like this. And lastly, make sure that both of the elastic bands are properly and tightly placed. You are now done! It's very simple and fast. Wear your CopperMask whenever you go outside for safety and protection. You are now ready to face a new normal wearing the 100% guaranteed original CopperMask that helps fight 99% of germs.